On this Tuesday morning as you get up and get ready to start your day. Wow, look at that gorgeous view. That is perfectly San Francisco in a way because you see the Golden Gate Bridge, but it's still a little bit fuzzy because of some of those clouds kind of hanging out there. But that sun on the hilltops, or the mountaintop behind that, isn't that gorgeous?
When you fly over that, are you just like, this is real?
Drooling
I did all this
every
work to
single
become
time.
a pilot?
Driving across that,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
feel that way. When you're coming out of that tunnel and you're coming, the Robin Williams tunnel,
Robin Williams
and you
tunnel.
come out and you just see that beautiful view.
Yeah.
Your jaw drops every time.
Never
It's
gets old.
gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm so jealous that's your daily commute, by the way.
That's my daily.
All right, here's what's happening for us. Anywhere from the Marin Headlands all the way down into the beautiful city of San Francisco. We're gearing up for some 60s today in SF. We're warming all the way up into the 80s, all the way up into Nevada. We continue to warm up into the upper 80s, all the way up into Santa Rosa today, with 80s stretched throughout wine country throughout this afternoon. Now, for our friends along the coastal areas, our microclimates are cooling down just a little bit more, of course. We're holding on tight to low 60s today in Half Moon Bay, Pacifica. The Santa Clara Valley has 70s and 80s, and we're gearing up for sunny skies off into the East Bay with 90s right around the corner as we head into this afternoon all the way over into Antioch. So it is a warm day for us, especially in those inland spots. And we're continuing to warm up as we head into our Friday forecast, actually, at least in those inland areas. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second, but let's gear up for some cooler conditions along the coast today. We're also dealing with breezy skies this afternoon, anywhere from Half Moon Bay all the way up into Bodega Bay with about 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts there as we head into the evening hours tonight. Very similar to yesterday. It's breezy in the city. We're noticing that all along our coastal areas, but at least we have some clear skies this afternoon. That changes fast, though, into the overnight hours tonight. Those clouds are going to start rolling in as we head into our Wednesday setup, despite the fact that we're still warming up a lot as we head into Wednesday afternoon. That clears up into Thursday and Friday, and I kind of just want to show you ahead what we're expecting. I'm talking about this warm up, but we really experience it just in the midweek. Now, tomorrow, we're jumping from the 80s to the 90s, widespread throughout all our inland areas. That includes the East Bay, all the way up into wine country. The Santa Clara Valley is going to warm up a lot more, too. Relative humidity will drop. We're going to see sunny skies. And then as we head into the first day of summer, we're still holding on tight to temperatures just a little bit above average for this time of year. 80s in store for us, for our friends in our inland spots, and then you make your way over into places close to the Marin Headlands like we saw a second ago. Just in the Bay alone, closer to San Francisco and Oakland, we'll see 70s turning into 60s back and forth as we head into the rest of this week's forecast with a lot more clouds rolling in from offshore. I'll have more on that coming up in just a bit. For now, over to you, Gianna.